everyone. Today is day 2 of my Mussoorie trip, and the view is legit to die for. And why am I saying that? You'll get to know super soon, by the way. So, for the day 2, the very first exploration point that I've kept for myself is the Dalai Hills, and this is how it looks. Yay! Yay! No! Well, I have to climb up. I have already climbed that distance. It's just a 300-meter walk, but it sounds less, but it's not, because the stair is really very broad to climb up, and that's how much that I have to climb. Also, the view, as you can see. Shut up. I'm yet to go to the main Dalai Hill viewpoint, but I've just reached this place and I'm in the middle of it. कितनी सुंदर है यार, दुनिया में इतनी सुंदर चीज़ें हैं, then people expect us to go to 9 to 5 and do jobs to earn. That's heartbreaking, but then we have this. For day 2, the second spot for our day will be George Everest. Yes, it's George Everest. I'm very bad with names, sightseeing names. So this is sightseeing, but it's prettier. Look, काफी ज़्यादा सुंदर. It reminds me of Sonmarg. When I was in Sonmarg, the view was really similar to of this. And wait, let me show you. So it's a 40 minutes walk to the George Everest, and we had this option of taking a car as well. I mean, come on, who takes car when you have your legs and you can trek? And after Sonmarg, I think trekking is the best thing you can do. So it's trekking for me. And yeah, the oxygen level is really less here, but the view is really pretty. I don't know how come everything here looks very different from each other. I went to Landor yesterday, but the structure was different there, and it's different over here. Looks like that I finally reached George Everest. Still, it is just the entrance for the peak. The peak is still very far, so I have to climb about 900 meters more, and then I have to reach the peak, which is very far, and the route is very steep. So I don't know if I'm going to make it or not, but यहीं से देख करके हालत ख़राब हो गई है मेरी. I'm not a quitter, but I have this feeling already that I might quit because I don't know what. Look. So I have to reach over there. There. You see? There are people around there. So I have to reach there, and it has no path. And that's 900 meters away from me. So I don't know how I'm going to make it, but डर के आगे जीत है. Mountain Dew. Also meet my furry babies. This is furry baby number 1, furry baby number 2, 3, 4, and that's 5 and 6, and there's 7. See. Poochoo. Look, he's wagging his tail. Poochoo. I was trying to feed him, them, not just him. I was trying to feed them. I was trying to feed them some Parle-G biscuits, but turns out that some uncle came and he said the right thing, which we do, as Indians we do, that we give Parle-G to them, which is not very good for their health, but now they're hungry, so at least feed something rather than nothing. And marigold is still a good option, but since these food points does not have marigold, so I'm not able to feed them. Also, I could see that is that Bhadraj temple, I don't know, but let's do the trek. Before we reach, they have already put this board, way to George Everest Peak, and there are the limitations and there are the points that they have mentioned. Please walk very carefully because it has no designated route to it. There we have to do an entry, George Everest Peak, as you can see, and then we have to climb up. This is ये पूरी खाई है, guys. The reality of George Everest. एक पैर नीचे and you'll trip and भूल जाओ. Still, I have to go. पता नहीं कहाँ है. ये कैसे चढ़ूँ मैं? ये देखो. just don't ask me how did I manage to reach the peak. Still, I have not reached the peak. The peak is still a bit far. It's like not very far, but it's very steep for me, and there's no designated path for it. I somehow managed to climb up till here, and there that we have to reach. Now that's the peak area, and then you can see as well the path is not that great. Trust me, guys. I don't know about you all. I love trekking, but this was deadly as hell because I literally cried while climbing up. I find this place to be a little overrated for myself because literally इधर पूरी खाई थी, पतली सी बात है, इधर पूरी खाई है, हेवी वाली खाई है. मतलब the moment I saw right side, I was dead scared. And there's this guard uncle, you can see he's going to climb up ये वाली. तो he helped me. उन्होंने मेरा अच्छे से हाथ पकड़ा और फिर वो मुझे ऊपर लेकर के आए हैं. मैं तो बहुत डर गई थी. मैंने वही गिव अप कर दिया. मैंने बोला मैं नहीं जा रही. मैं आधे रास्ते से जा रही थी वापस. I'm not a quitter, but this time I felt like quitting. But then he managed to come up with me, and then he was insisting me कि मैं यहाँ जाऊँ. मुझ में हिम्मत नहीं है भाई. मुझ में ना उस वाले में हिम्मत है ना इस वाले में हिम्मत है. आई फील हाइपॉक्सिया इज किकिंग इन इतना ज़्यादा. बट फॉर दोज हु लव थ्रिल, हु लव एडवेंचर, माइट बी दिस इज द प्लेस फॉर यू, बट नॉट फॉर मी. I'm just a girl. So it's 8 p.m. or 9, I don't know. I've not checked yet because this city never sleeps, I guess. So I have come to Karlshamn, and the crowd is crazy here. It's a 2-floor building, and yet both the floors are khacham bhara hua. See, people are waiting in the line, and I'll be one of them waiting here. So it is day 3, and I'm back at the same place that I have started shooting this video. The 2-day journey has finally come to its end, and what do I say? It's like I have been kicked back to my daily life. You know, life काफ़ी ऐसी हो रखी थी कुछ टाइम से. And yes, when people see बाहर से it always looks very glittery, glamorous. But I'll tell you what, जितनी भी चीज़ें बाहर से glitter and glamorous लगती है ना, the quote that you must have heard, that grass is not always greener on the other side, and it is true. If this gives you the life that you want, if this career gives you that sort of money, it also takes a lot from, be it your family, friends, your close connections, everything. It just takes it from you. And इतना सा टाइम मिलता है उसी में यू हैव टू डू ईच एंड एवरी थिंग. यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. यू हैव टू. अभी मैं घर आई हूँ ऐसी दोपहरी में, एंड यू नो हाउ afternoons are, and my roommates are not here. So the moment I entered, and I just felt ekdam suddenly that, oh my god, I'm back to my base, I'm back to this place again. And ऐसा अचानक से किक हुआ ना, and I felt like crying, but I didn't that time. Then I did. कुछ ऐसा वीडियो वगैरह देख करके I did cry, because really crying literally helps me. So I can understand you as well, all those people who are, traveling and managing to travel between their home, their personal life, and trying to hold things up. You people are really very brave, and all the crews out there. I know it's hard for us. ये जो change होती है, जो shift होते हैं, काफ़ी ज़्यादा hard होती है, but it will all be worth it. So yeah, here comes to an end to my Mussoorie trip, and I really enjoyed it. I really tried to make the most out of it, and I kind of did. Not kind of, I really did. These 2 days were really necessary for me. मैं काफ़ी dicey थी कि should I go or not, because I have an important exam the day after tomorrow. So I have to clear it out. If I don't, I have to repeat this 1 week of training once again, and then I have to clear the Indigo and then DGCA exam. And if I don't clear the Indigo exam, then again I have to do it all over again. So yeah, that's it. And I'm kind of scared because I have not studied that much, because time milti bhi thi, to I just time nahi thi, I would say time nahi thi. And I kind of gave this time to myself, and I'm very happy even if something happens, god forbid. So I won't blame myself or my mind for it. Everything happens for a reason, I would say. So I'll be happy with whatever is yet to come and whatever is destined to be. So yeah.